Hi. Here we are given Gopal borrows X rupees from Ankit at 8% annual interest. He then adds Y of his own money and lends the X plus Y rupees to Ishan at 10% annual rate. At the end of the year, after returning Ankit's dues, the net interest retained by Gopal is same as that accrued to Ankit. So we have Gopal borrowing from Ankit. How much amount does he borrow? He borrows X rupees at 8% rate of interest. So the interest which Gopal will pay to Ankit would be how much? 8% of X. So 8 by 100 into X, which is 0.08X. This is what Gopal has to pay Ankit, just the interest part. And when Gopal lends it to someone else, he adds Y of his own money, X plus Y, and he lends it at 10% rate of interest to Ishan. Right? So how much interest will Ishan give to Gopal? Ishan will give 10% of X plus Y, which is 0.1 times of X plus Y. Fine. Now it's given that at the end of the year, after returning Ankit's dues, the net interest retained by Gopal is same as that accrued to Ankit. So what is the interest that will be retained by Gopal? The interest retained by Gopal will be the difference of these two. 0.1 times of X plus Y minus 0.08X, right? This is what Gopal will get and this is what Gopal has to give. So this is what Gopal will be left with, and this is equal to same as the interest that is given to Ankit, right? So from here we have 0.1 times of X plus Y is equal to 0.8x becomes positive, so 0.16x, right? Fine. So let's call this the first equation. Now there's something else also given ahead. Let's see what it is. On the other hand, had Gopal lent X plus 2Y at 10%, then the net interest retained by him would increase by 150. So instead of X plus Y, if he gives X plus 2Y at the same rate, interest retained by him will increase by 150. Now why does interest increase? Because the principal amount has increased. So the increase in interest, which is 150, will be the 10% of the increased principal, which is Y, isn't it? Instead of X plus Y, he is giving X plus 2Y. So what is the extra principal? Extra principal is the difference of these two, which is Y. So because of this Y rupees, he is earning 150 extra. So 10% of this Y should be 150 rupees. So we have 150 is equal to 10%, that's this 0.1 times of Y, and Y here comes out to be 1500, right? Now substituting this value of Y 1500 over here. So we have 0.1x plus 0.1 into 1500 is 150, which is equal to 0.16x. So 0.16x minus 0.1x is 0.06x, which is 150. So 0.06x. So x comes out to be 150 upon 0.06. which is effectively 15000 by 6. So this becomes 6 2s are 12. We have 2500. The value of x comes out to be 2500. Now the question is, we have to find the value of x plus y. So x is 2500 and y is 1500. So the sum of x and y is 4000. Hence, the answer to this question is 4000. Thank you.